Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we are having revision of chapter 6, that is division. So first of all, I would like to tell you what is the meaning of division. So students, open page number 73 and look here. Division means distributing equal quantities in equal groups. Suppose we take small numbers and I am taking the first is 6 and we have to divide this 6 by 2. हमें क्या करना है, 6 को 2 से डिवाइड करना है. So how we can divide 6 by 2? We have to write 2 here and 6 here. So now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So how many times we get 6? 3 times. 2 3s are 6. So 3 will write here and 6 will write here. Is it clear? Now we have to subtract them. 6 minus 6 will be 0. Is it clear, students? Now this number, which is the result of division, this number will be quotient. Understood, students? And this number by which we are dividing, जिससे हम divide कर रहे हैं, this number will be divisor. And the number to be divided, जिस number को आप divide कर रहे हो, this 6, इस 6 को divide कर रहे हो, so this number is known as dividend. And the last number, जो last में हमारा आंसर बच गया है, जो रह गया है, the remaining number, this will be remainder. Is it clear, students? Answer will be quotient, the remaining part, the remaining number will be remainder. जिस number से आप divide कर रहे हो, that will be divisor, and the number to be divided, this will be dividend. So in this way, students, you can divide a number by the another number and you can solve it. So now I will explain you some division facts. Students, if you divide any number, suppose I am dividing 15 by 15, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, किसी नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड कर रही हूँ, then I get the answer 1. Is it clear, students? How we can get the answer 1? आप 15 को 15 से डिवाइड करो, 15 ones are 15. So what is the answer? The answer is 1. So students, you can say if you divide any number by the same number, हम किसी नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करें, the result will be 1 always, and this is the first division fact. Now we'll see the next one, and the next division fact is if you divide any number by 1, आप किसी भी नंबर को किससे डिवाइड करो, 1 से. If you divide any number by 1, the result will be the number itself, the same number will come. मैंने क्या किया, 15 को 1 से डिवाइड किया, then 1 1s are 1, remainder 0. Now 5 will come down and 1 5s are 5 and the remainder will be 0. And what is the answer? The answer is the number itself. It means we can say the second division fact is if we divide any number by 1, the result will be number itself. Is it clear, students? So now we'll see the third division fact. If you divide 0 by a number, आप किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहे हो 0 को, you are dividing 0 by a number, the result will be always 0. हम 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करें, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग 3, मैं 0 को किससे डिवाइड कर रही हूँ, 3 से, then the result will be 0 always. So this is the fourth division fact. If you divide 0 by any number, the result will be always 0. Now the next is fourth division fact, that is when you divide any number by 0, हम किसी भी नंबर को क्या कर रहे हैं, 0 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. So this term will be not defined. Why? Because this is not possible to divide a number by 0. सपोज मैं आपको बोलूँ आप 16 चॉकलेट्स यू आर हैविंग एंड यू हैव टू डिवाइड 16 चॉकलेट्स अमंग 0 पीपल. आप 0 पीपल्स के बीच में कैसे डिवाइड कर सकते हो 16 चॉकलेट्स को? दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर अस. सो व्हेन एनी नंबर इज डिवाइडेड बाय 0, जब किसी भी नंबर को हम 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं, द आंसर विल बी नॉट डिफाइंड. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो here we have seen division facts. Now we take a question of exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1, and we are taking a question that is given on page number 75, and the question is divide and check your answer, and we are taking K part. 8917 by 9. So students, here you have to divide 8917 by 9. इस नंबर को हमें किससे डिवाइड करना है? 9 से. So as I have told you, this is divisor and 9 will come here, and we are dividing 8917. इसी नंबर को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. This is called dividend. This number will come here. Now we'll start dividing. So first of all we have to observe this digit. इस डिजिट को हमें ऑब्जर्व करना है, एंड दिस इज 8 विच इज स्मॉलर देन 9. ये 9 से छोटा है. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू टेक 2 डिजिट नंबर. अब हम 2 डिजिट नंबर को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, दैट इज 89 एंड इट इज बिगर देन 9. 89 9 से बड़ा है. नाउ हमें 9 का टेबल बोलना है कि हमें क्या मिल जाए, या तो 89 मिल जाए या उससे कोई छोटा नंबर मिल जाए. सो 9 8s are 72 and 9 9s are 81 and 9. So look here students, 9 9s are 81 and this is smaller than 89. So we'll write 9 times 81 here. Now we have to subtract them. So 9 minus 1 will be 8. 8 minus 8 0. Now the next number, that is 1, will come down and the new number will be 81. Now again 9 9s are 81. So students, 9 will come here and 9 times we get 81. Now we'll subtract these numbers and 1 minus 1 will be 0. 8 minus 8 will be 0. Now we can see we have one more number, that is 7. 7 बचा हुआ है अभी, एंड 7 इज स्मॉलर देन 9. 7 जो है वो 9 से छोटा है. सो वी आर नॉट एबल टू डिवाइड 7 बाय 9. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन दिस सिचुएशन, वी हैव टू पुट अ 0 हियर. यहाँ हम 0 पुट करेंगे एंड द रिमाइंडर विल बी 7 एज इट इज. सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? द क्वेश्चन इज 990. The quotient is 990 and the remaining part, this will be remainder. The remainder is 7. Is it clear students? And the dividend is 8917 and divisor is 9. Is it clear students? Now question is you have to divide and you have to check your answer. Now we have to check this answer is correct or not. So students, to check an answer we have a formula. Now what is the formula? The formula is dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. What is the formula? How you can check your answer? The formula is dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. It means what you have to do, you have to multiply quotient by divisor. आपको divisor and quotient को multiply करना है. Then you have to add remainder. आप उसमें remainder add करोगे and this side, ये जो side है ये किसकी equal होना चाहिए? Dividend की equal. Now we are going to check our answer. Dividend is 8917 then is equals to Now what is the divisor? Divisor is, just look here, divisor is 9 multiplied, then what is quotient? The quotient is 990 plus remainder. Now what is the remainder? As you can see, remainder is 7. So this number will come as it is. Now we have to multiply 990 by 9. हमें इन दोनों numbers को क्या करना है? Multiply करना है. So students, 9 into 0 will be 0. If you multiply any number by 0, the result will be 0. 9 9s are 81. So 1 will come here, carry over 8. 9 9s are 81 again. And 81 plus 8 will be 89. Is it clear students? Now we have to add 7. इसमें हमें क्या करना है? 7 add करना है, which is remainder. Now we'll see the answer. 0 plus 7 will be 7, 1 as it is, 9 as it is, 8 as it is. And this side 8917 is equals to 8917. It means our division is correct. Is it clear students? To check an answer, to check the division, you have to use this formula. Now what is the formula? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. और ये जो साइड है ये किसकी इक्वल होना चाहिए? डिविडेंड की इक्वल. If these two terms are equal, it means your division is correct. Is it clear students? So now we'll see the next question of exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2 on page number 77, and we are going to do A part, that is 987 by 15. So students, in this question you have to divide 987 by 15 and again you have to check your answer. Now we are dividing by 2 digit number. पहले हमने सिंगल डिजिट नंबर से डिवाइड किया था. नाउ वी आर डिवाइडिंग बाय 2 digit number. So just look here, the same process will apply. First 987, which is dividend, and we have to divide this number by 15. So now students, हमें 15 का टेबल इतने टाइम्स बोलना है कि हमें क्या मिल जाए, या तो 98 मिल जाए और द नंबर विच इज स्मॉलर देन 98. So as we know students, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90 and 15 7s are 105. So 7 times we'll get 105, which is greater than 98. 98 से बड़ा है. And why we are taking 2 digits? Because if we take 1 digit, that is 9, and 9 is smaller than 15. 9 तो 15 से छोटा है. That's why we have to take 2 digit, that is 98. हम 2 digits ले रहे हैं. Now 15 6s are 90. So we'll take 6 times 90, because if we take 7 times, the number will come greater than 98. 98 से बड़ा number मिलेगा हमें. That's why we are taking 6 times 90. So now 8 minus 0, 8, and 9 minus 9 will be 0. Now 7 will come down and it will be 87. So students, 6 times will get 90 and 90 is bigger than 87. So we have to take 5 times 75. So students, 15 5s are 75. Now 7 minus 5 will be 2 and 8 minus 7 will be 1. Now this 12 is smaller than 15. Now we are not able to divide this anymore. So now quotient is 65 and the remainder is 12. This is divisor and this number is dividend. Now we have to check this answer. Dividend is equals to 987. Divisor is equals to 15. Quotient is equals to 65 and the remainder is 12. So as I have told you, to check your answer you have to use the formula, and the formula is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So yes students, dividend is equals to 987 and divisor is 15 and the quotient is 65 and remainder is 12. So now we have to find the product of these two numbers. इन दोनों का product हम find करेंगे and this number will come as it is. So students, as you know, 15 5s are 75, 5 will come here, carry over 7 and 15 6s are 90 and 90 plus 7 will be 97. So the product of these two numbers 975 and we have to add this remainder 12 to this number. 12 को इसमें क्या करना है, अब ऐड करना है. So 987 is equals to 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8 and this is 9 and we get the same answer. 987 is equals to 987. It means our division is correct. So students, in this way you can solve the division and you can check your answer also. So now we'll take the next topic, that is short division method. Exercise 6.3 and we are taking question number 2 and the question number 2 is divide using both long and short division method. So students, here we have seen long division method, now we see short division method. Question number 2 and I am taking A part, that is 7642 divided by 8. So we have to solve this question. Long division method also, we have to use long division method also and short division method also. So here see the long division method, we have to divide 7642 by 8. So students, 8 9s are 72 and the remainder is 4. Now 4 will come here. 8 5s are 40, again remainder is 4. Now 2 will come here and the new number will be 42. Again 9 5s are 40 and the remainder is 2 and the quotient is 955 and this is the long division method. Now see the short division method. So students, for short division method, first you have to write 7642, that is dividend and divisor will come here. Now we'll start dividing. 7 9s are 72 and the remainder is 4, so 4 will come here. We have used these digits, 7 और 6 को हमने यूज़ कर लिया. Now we have to take this number, so 4 कहाँ जाएगा, इसके ऊपर आ जाएगा and the new number will be 44. Now again 8 5s are 40, so the remainder will be 4. Now again 4 will come here, new number is 42. Now again 8 5s are 40 and the remainder is 2. This is the short division method. In this method, quotient will come here and remainder will come here. This is divisor and this is dividend. So student, this is the short division method and this is long division method. You can use both of the methods, short also and long also. Now we see the next topic students, that is division of a number by 10, 100 and 1000 and the next is division when dividend and divisor end with 0, that is given on page number 78. The topic is division of a number by 10, 100 and 1000. So students, we are taking a question of exercise 6.4, question number 1 and we are taking B part. And what is given in this question? The question is divide mentally and fill in the empty boxes. B part is 238 divided by 10. So students, here we are dividing 238 by 10. हम किससे divide कर रहे हैं? 10 से. So division of a number by 10, 100,000 we'll see here. How can we divide this number by 238 by 10? हम इसको 10 से कैसे divide करेंगे? So students, 238, 10 2s are 20, remainder is 3 and 10 3s are 30 and the remainder is 8. This is the long division method. But हम इसे mentally कैसे divide कर सकते हैं? As you are observing there is only one zero. 10 में कितना zero है? There is only one zero. So we have to observe the last digit. Because we have only one zero, that's why we are observing only single digit, that is 8. And this 8 will be remainder, and the remaining part is 23. This will be quotient. So this is the short method when you are dividing a number by 10, 100 and 1000. What you have to do, you have to observe the zero given in the divisor. Divisor में जो आपको zero given है, आप उसको observe करोगे. And we have one zero, it means the last digit will be remainder and the remaining part will be quotient. Simple. Now we take one more question. And we are taking E part of this question. Question number 1, E part on page number 80. And the E part is 4379 divided by 1000. So students, what did I say? What you have to observe? You have to observe the zero given in the divisor. Divisor में जो आपको zero given है वो आपको observe करना है. And we have 1, 2, 3. 3 0. So yes, we'll count 3 last 3 digits. 379 और last 3 digits क्या हो जाएगा? Remainder. So the remainder is 379 and the remaining part, that is 4. The remaining number is 4. This will be quotient. Simple. Now we see the last topic students, that is division when dividend and divisor end with 0. When you see 0 in division also and in divisor also. So students, question number 2, divide using the cancellation method. And we are taking E part of this question, 4500 divided by 900. So students, what we have to do in this question, we have to use the cancellation method. Now what we are observing in this question, क्या observe कर रहे हैं हम इस question में? As we can see, we see 2 0 in dividend also and we see 2 0 in divisor also. Last digits we are observing, 2 0 here and 2 0 here. So what we can do in this situation, we can cancel 0 to 0. जितने 0 आपके पास डिवाइजर में हैं उतने 0 अगर डिविडेंड में हैं तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, उसको कैंसिल कर सकते हो. नाउ द न्यू डिविडेंड विल बी 45 and the new divisor will be 9. Now we have to divide 45 by 9 and as we know 9 5s are 45 and the remainder is 0 and the answer is 5. Now this is the simple method. आप क्या कर सकते हो, जो 0 आपको दिख रहा है you can cancel the 0 given in the question and the new number is 45 and you are dividing 45 by 9 and your answer is 5. Is it clear students? So in this way you can use cancellation method and you can solve your answer. So yes students, in this video we have learned this chapter from exercise 6.1 to 6.4. In the next part of this video we'll be covering exercise 6.5 to 6.8. So now thank you.